Yeah.
Okay,
Fat penis.
we just got home from IKEA. We're trying out Mun's Bit. It's a nut bar with blueberries. Woo! Yo, put
Not
the
in
music
your
on.
mouth.
Fine. So we got
You're gonna get copyright.
4 grams per bar of protein. Look at that.
Oh no, kring!
What did you say, bitch?
Kring!
Oh. You get 4 bars. What it looks like?
Look at the packaging.
Nice minimalistic packaging.
Alright.
It's just blue.
Yeah.
Symbolizes the blueberry.
Taste.
I'm opening it.
Taste it. Taste it.
I'm gonna play a song.
Yeah, go for it. Boy, what the hell? Dan, you look at that color. Look at the color. What the fuck?
Alright.
What am I listening to?
Taste test.
Hey, ready? Bro, what is this?
You get the camera angle? Like the train one?
This is not bad.
Like the train one?
Mate, I'll be honest with you, it's very sweet.
It smells sweet, can't
Yeah, I smell
Very sweet. You want
Alright, second bite, second bite.
What is it, base? I'm good.
I'm good.